Some cricket news now. Defending champions St. Elizabeth Technical remain in charge of the ASA First Global Bank All-Ireland Spaulding Cup playoff against St. Jago High following a truncated second day at Melbourne Oval. After being dismissed for 487 early in the day, Steths then had St. Jago at 117 for 2 in reply when play ended early because of rain. Danza Hyatt Jr. on 50 and Wayne Plummer 19 will resume batting for St. Jago, 370 runs in arrears when play begins a half an hour early on Friday's final day at 9:30. Luane Price weighed in with 25 in a first wicket stand of 71 with Hyatt. Juwayne Lawson and Delante Scott have so far shared the wickets for Steths. Earlier, Steths, who resumed their first innings at 438 for 6, added a further 49 runs. Ryan Littleton had a top scored on the opening day with 104, while Tariq Bryan got 79. Shapiro Jaden 77, Jermaine Price 66 and Adrian Silveira 51. Now bowling for St. Jago, Raheem Willie bagged 4 for 4, 58, and West Indies on a 19 spinner, Vital Laws 4 for 179.
Not often you see a schoolboy team bat out the whole day, and I think it was a good performance. And from we came yesterday, man, we saw that it was a good wicket to bat on, and we won the toss and decided to bat, and the guys capitalized on it.
You can see it's a good batting pitch. We're 117 for 2 now. So based on the time that has been lost, based on the rain, it's just for us to take it session by session tomorrow.